Howdy, howdy, howdy. We're cooking again, everybody. Yes, we've got the wonderful chopping board out. We've got the coriander, the knives, the sweet potatoes. We have the seafood. We have the pan. We have the rice. Yes, we're going to need some rice. Okay, so we're going to cook some rice. How's everyone going today, by the way? Welcome back to Dave's Kitchen. For another tasty morsel. I had a quick look at the green seafood curry and there was a few steps that I had forgotten, so we're going to repeat that, and I've got to show you all the steps because it's such a yummy meal. I thought I'd do it all again. Why not? Salt in the water, and we've turned it on. We'll just double check that we've got our connection on. It is on. So we should have a bit of heat coming through. Yes, look at that. Okay, we've started. Sorry, I have a recalcitrant friend here who's just absolutely bludging on, and he's now going just for nothing. I'm being abused and used. So, I believe as part of this meal, we need to fire up the barbecue.
I whip it up like a whirlwind, flavors dancing like old friends.
Serves of this, I think half a cup is more than enough. So let's check. Our rice is on the way. Well, it's not yet. So we'll wait for that water to boil and then we'll throw the half a cup of rice in. We need to clean pots, pans.
Steams rise and stories flow from the stove where secrets grow. Every dish a tale to tell, served hot, straight from my spell.
Oh, that wasn't very good. Let's chop up the onion, eh? Okay, one cut. The idea. Bowl of onions there, ready to cook. We're just heating up the oil, and now we're going to chop the other veggies. How we're treating the vegetables. We're going to char-grill the broccolini and the capsicum for extra flavour for the recalcitrant visitor.
We cast our nets wide. The ocean whispered the tide was our guide. We hauled it in with laughter and pride. Back to the shore where the flames dance high, under the moon in the starry sky. Green seafood curry, oh, it's what you crave. Spicy and creamy, it's the dish we save. In a hurry or slow, it'll always behave. Green seafood curry, oh, it's what you crave. The chilies, we crush the lime. A sprinkle of love, a pinch of thyme,
And the zest.
The pot sang songs in rhythm and rhyme. Coconut milk and the catch of the day, simmering dreams as we sway and play. Green seafood curry, oh, it's what you crave. Spicy and creamy, it's the dish we save. In a hurry or slow, it'll always behave. Green seafood curry, oh, it's what you crave. seafood curry, oh, it's what you crave. Spicy and creamy, it's the dish we save. In a hurry or slow, it'll always behave. Green seafood curry, oh, it's what you crave. Oh, oh, oh.